Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Laporte. He took the midnight train going anywhere. Hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here today with the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikadon BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello. BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone. How you doing? Welcome back to the show. And today, our Ojibwe word of the day has got to be la 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 la. You know, we should really think about what the word should be before we do it. You know?
Yeah.
Hey, I know. MOOKA'AM.
Oh yeah.
MOOKA'AM, sunrise. You know, we film these Ojibwe words of the day first thing in the morning. And in Minnesota, usually it's completely dark outside. But right now, the sun's coming up. It's the sunrise. MOOKA'AM, sunrise. And it's also a very sacred time of the day. But, you know, MOOKA'AM symbolizes a new beginning, the start. It is when Jesus comes back from the east. And, you know, so we honor the morning. And the elders, you know, you kids, listen up. The elders tell us it is good to get up early in the morning. They say, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. All right. So there you go. You got anything else you want to add here, sweetie?
No, that's pretty good.
Okay. Well, hey, I just want to say miigwech for watching BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha. And I will see you again. Igawabamin, Menawa. Oh, what was that?